LeadPilot AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this software called LeadPilot AI. So this is the sales page right now. Then we have the demo video somewhere here. So we'll see the demo video, and on the sales page, you can get some discount. So if you use the coupon code CLM67 off, and then see how much off you can get. Okay, so go and try to use the coupon code. How do you come to the sales page? For that, you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab LeadPilot AI copy here. Click on that link, then come to the sales page where you can use this coupon code to get $3 off. Okay. So as the name says, LeadPilot, which means you will be getting some leads, generating some leads. So Breakthrough app lets you launch a full AI lead hunting system. We'll see the demo video now. So if you want the bonuses as well, then make sure you watch the video till the end because I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning. So I'll do the review first, and then you can get to know about the bonuses when you watch the video till the end. Okay. And I make these videos not because of the products, because these product software will do something for some, for some people, but it's not universal. Not everybody might be interested in getting leads and selling something to them. I make these videos only with one purpose, so that I can tell you the actual real ways to make money on the internet. Okay. One of the ways to make money online is YouTube, which you can see I'm doing right now. you know let's take 60 seconds here to show you the real affiliate marketing business, because you know what, you're watching videos from everybody. You might be receiving emails. In the email they say this is the product, go and buy. If you buy it, they make money. Okay. Similarly, in YouTube videos, I make YouTube videos, somebody else make YouTube videos, they give you some bonus orgasms, I give you some bonuses, you buy from me, I make money, you buy from them, they make money. Are you making money within in any of this? I don't think so. Okay. So when I do these reviews, my motive, my main goal is to make you aware that how do you make real money. You keep buying these things, you make nothing. Okay. Nobody else, it's my challenge, nobody else on their YouTube reviews, people who do these reviews, they don't have balls. And if they are women, they don't have guts to tell you the truth, that the truth is their YouTube video review makes money for them, not the product they are selling. They don't have balls to tell you. I'm telling you right now, whether they are guy or woman, they don't have guts or balls to tell you the exact thing which I just told you, that they come and make YouTube reviews only because if you buy from them, they make money. So what makes money? Not the product, not you, YouTube. So YouTube is a platform which makes money for them because they come on YouTube, make a video, you watch the video, you buy, they make money. Why? It's not the product which makes money, it's the YouTube hard work. So YouTube is a platform where people come and make money in different ways. YouTube is used for entertainment as well. It can be used for teaching as well, education as well. It can be used for making money online as well. Okay. So I will discuss how to make money online using these methods in the end. Okay. These are the links. My favorite method is this one. Okay. Swing like a pro. So make sure you watch the video till the end. I don't have to say all this. I can just do my review, give you some bonus orgasms. I can walk away. My job is done. But as I said, everybody else is in a loop. Everybody is giving you bonus orgasms. You are surrounded by fake people. I'm talking about YouTube people who do the reviews. Okay. You're surrounded by those fake robotic reviews, those fake machines. Their job is only to come and make a YouTube review and give you some bonus orgasms. And they don't care if you live or die after that. Nobody does. So again, I can wind up this video. I don't have to waste my breath on you. I don't have to keep talking for 4 minutes without even doing the review for now. But I'm telling you this because nobody else will. Do you get it? Okay. So what makes money is not the product. You buy the product, they make money. You buy something from me, I make money. That's one truth. Okay. How you can do this yourself, we'll talk about that in the end. Okay. So let's watch the demo video first of all, and let's maximize the screen. So here you log in and you see the dashboard, and then you go to some lead finder here, I guess. Type in your category, your city, and your country. These are the countries, and then you get the leads. Cool. Hunt leads. Ethan Hunt. All right, Ethan Hunt has delivered. Okay, so you got some leads, and then just watch. So mainly I'm doing these reviews because these products will come and go. Some will work, some will not. They might do some job for some people. Or will you make money with it? That's a big question mark always towards the end, a question mark towards the end. Will I make money with this? Well, trust me, guys, if you go out there on YouTube, you see so many reviews and giving you some bonuses. If some product, some offer in $20, $17, $15 was supposed to make money, and why people are wasting their time on YouTube? Why do they have to come and make a YouTube video if they can just buy a product in $15? I am doing this just for fun, to kill my time, okay? I told you that I could just, wind up the video in 3 minutes, give you bonuses, and I can walk away. I am doing it because I want to. I'm killing my time or giving my time because I make money in other ways. And those people, again, I'm repeating, don't have balls and don't have guts to tell you that it's YouTube which makes money for them, not the product. They don't give a shit about the product. All they want is make a video on YouTube, and then somebody else will buy from their video using their link, and that's how YouTube makes money for them, not the product. Okay? And they don't have the courage to tell their audience that I am making money because of YouTube, so you should also come on YouTube instead of buying something from me. I think we are done with the demo video. Okay. So go out there, find anybody who is making YouTube reviews and they have the balls or the courage to say, oh, I am making YouTube video. That's how I make money. So what you should do is, if you're watching my video, don't buy the product. Instead, go and start a YouTube channel so that you can make money too. They don't have the balls to say this to you. I am telling you that. I'm telling you that, what makes money is YouTube. This product, what is the name again? LeadPilot AI. If I go and buy this LeadPilot AI, it's not going to make money for me. But if you go and buy from me, it's going to make money for me. Yes, if you go and buy from me. So what made money to me? YouTube reviews. YouTube platform, not some lead platform, LeadPilot AI. I'm not saying that this will not give you leads, because eventually the job of the software is only to give you some cold leads. What will you do with them? It's your problem, not the job of the software, okay? The software says you will get some leads, which you do, and that's it. After that, what you will make with those leads, what you will do with those leads, nobody knows. Nobody gives a shit, okay? So whether you want this, what is the name, pilot AI, LeadPilot AI, so whether you want this or not, just go and buy from me if you want, because then you will get the bonuses which we are gonna go talk about in the next half of the video. Let's see if we have some OTO somewhere here. Okay, these are the OTOs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 OTOs. I guess we're done. So LeadPilot AI will give you some leads. You have seen the demo video. You have heard my lecture as well. And my lecture was very, very, very honest, because what I said, nobody else has the guts and balls to say that. Okay. And everybody is doing something to make money for themselves. I am doing this because only I can do what I do. Everybody else has to make something out of it. Okay, I don't get sales, I don't make money with this, I don't care, I don't fucking care about getting sales. If I was bothered about getting sales from my videos, my pitch will be different, my pattern will be different. I'll be what do you call this, bribing you. I'll be bribing you with bonuses. So far by now, I'll be talking out, buy this, buy, you know what I mean. Okay, anyways, so let's cut this short. If you really want to make money online, then watch the video till the end now. Alrighty, humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here, and then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab key shacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this if you are serious about making money on YouTube. This is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you are a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.